friends, this is Jasmeet Bhatia from Landmark Immigration, and I'm really grateful to students, parents who like our YouTube channel, who have subscribed to our YouTube and Facebook page. We also have an Instagram channel. You can also see Landmark Immigration there, and we are constantly posting news, updated news, rules and regulation on all our social media platforms, and you can contact us through one of the social media platform, or you can also WhatsApp us at 90413 90412, and you can email us at info@landmarkimmigration.com. And if you want to visit any of our office, so you can visit. We are open, and we will try to give you best possible solution to your case. And it depends case to case base. The solution always depends case to case base. ਸੋ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਕਰਨਗੇ, ਸੋ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਾਈਲ ਦੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗਲੀ ਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਕੋਰਸ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਿੰਸ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ ਕੁਝ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ, ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ BSc ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਐਂਡ 12th ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਲਈ। ਸੋ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ BSc ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ 12th 'ਚ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਕੀਤਾ। ਸੋ ਕੁਛ ਹੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਪਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਔਰ ਅਗਲੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ ਹੋਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ BSc ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ। ਸੋ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਕੋਰਸਿਸ ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਸਟ ਬਣਾਈ ਹੈ, ਵੇਅਰ ਐਜ਼ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਵਿਦ ਨਾਇਗਰਾ ਕਾਲਜ ਓਨਟਾਰੀਓ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ अर्ਲੀ ਚਾਈਲਡਹੁੱਡ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਵਿਚ ਇਜ਼ ਕੁਆਇਟ ਅ ਫੇਮਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਐਂਡ ਇਜ਼ ਬੀਇੰਗ ਆਫਰਡ ਐਟ ਮੈਨੀ ਕਾਲਜਸ। ਸੋ अर्ਲੀ ਚਾਈਲਡਹੁੱਡ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਇਗਰਾ ਕਾਲਜ ਓਨਟਾਰੀਓ 'ਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਆਈਲੈਟਸ ਦੀ ਰਿਕੁਆਇਰਮੈਂਟ 1 ਚੋਂ 5.5 ਇਜ਼ ਐਕਸੈਪਟੇਬਲ। ਨਾਇਗਰਾ ਕਾਲਜ ਪਰਸਨਲ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਵਰਕਰ ਦਾ 1 year ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਹੈ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲਸੋ ਕੈਨ ਬੀ ਟੇਕਨ ਬਾਈ 12th ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਐਂਡ BSc ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ। ਅਗੇਨ 1 module 5.5 is acceptable. We can apply with 2 modules 5.5 and also to Niagara College, but that depends on the competitive admission. So the college will give admission or not. Northern College Healthcare Management ਦਾ post graduate program ਹੈਗਾ, ਜਿਹਦੀ IELTS requirement 6.5, no band less than 6 ਹੈ, and it is in Timmins, which comes under RNIP or Regional Northern Immigration Pilot Program. It's an important destination if you're looking for something like that. Then Northern College Environmental Technician ਦਾ water and waste water system operations ਦਾ program ਹੈਗਾ, which BSc medical can do, BSc chemical students can also do, and +2 medical students can also do this program. It's a great program because Canada is always trying to improve their environment, so it's a great program which will have lot of job opportunities. Then Norquest College has child and youth care program. It's an IELTS requirement is 6.5, no band less than 6. Norquest College has healthcare aid program, which is overall 6 band, no band less than 5.5. I will tell you, Norquest College is in Alberta, and Alberta is a great place, and the city is Edmonton, which is again a very good place to study. It's a very beautiful city, and you can choose this college if you're looking forward to studying in Alberta region. Then Norquest College has early learning and child care, which has an IELTS requirement of 6.5, no band less than 6. Social work program is also available in Norquest College. Healthcare leadership is also available in Norquest College. So these are all UG programs which can be taken by both BSc medical and 12th medical students. Then Cambrian College, again a city under RNIP, Regional Northern Immigration Pilot Program, which has very good courses in offering. So Cambrian College is offering addictions and mental health, which is a postgraduate program, and it's offered by 6.5 band, no band less than 6 is the IELTS requirement. Development Service Worker program, which has IELTS requirement of 6, no band less than 5.5. Personal support worker program, again the IELTS requirement is overall 6, no band less than 5.5. So Conestoga College is offering postgraduate program in healthcare administration and service management. Conestoga is a very famous college in Kitchener, and a lot of students prefer to go to Conestoga College. Then Conestoga College is also offering health office administration, which is an undergraduate course, overall 6, no band less than 5.5. Fleming College is offering social service worker diploma, which is undergraduate program. Fleming College is also offering mental health and addiction worker, child and youth care, biotechnology advanced development service worker, social service workers are few programs which are offered by Fleming College, which is situated in Petersborough, Ontario. Most of the program has an IELTS requirement of 6 each. So lot of it's a good college, Fleming College, beautiful city, and you can also progress your study in Trent University, which is also in Petersborough. Then Loyalist College is offering many programs, which is 2 hours from Toronto, Ontario. Loyalist College is offering development service worker, social service worker, biotechnology. These are the programs which are offered by a Loyalist College. Biotechnology always remain in high demand. So the IELTS requirement is overall 6, no band less than 5.5. But the biotechnology development service worker has IELTS requirement of 6.5, no band less than 6. Then we talk about Seneca College, again a great college in GTA area. They are offering social service worker gerontology, which is suitable for BSc medical and +2 medical student. IELTS requirement is 6.5, no band less than 6. Dharam College again comes under GTA. Oshawa is the region, is offering social worker program, social service worker program. Requirement is 6 each. Red Deer College is offering early learning and childcare. M College, which is in Quebec, is offering early childhood education. Overall 6 band is the requirement. LaSalle College is offering special care counseling. Downtown Montreal, LaSalle College, one of the best colleges in Quebec if you're looking forward to. Algoma University is offering bachelor's in biology to 12th medical students and postgraduate diploma in healthcare to graduate students. So if you're applying for Algoma University, they have 2 campuses. One is Sault Ste. Marie, again, which comes under RNIP, and one is Brampton, which comes under Ontario. So students, Algoma University has a requirement of overall 6. So you have to do ESL as it is a university for undergraduate courses. For postgraduate diploma, you can apply with 6 each. So that is also a very good option if you're looking forward to studying in Canada. The North Island College, which is in British Columbia, is offering good courses to students who are looking forward to studying in British Columbia. I have personally visited Kootenay. Very beautiful city, very beautiful setup. It's bliss to study in that city. North Island College is offering community support worker, early childhood education and social service diploma with overall 6 band, no band less than 5.5. So what are options? ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਵੀ option ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਜ discuss ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, they are for medical students or BSc medical students. They can take up, and some courses are also available for art students, like some courses like early childhood education, social service worker diploma. Art students are being offered this program also because their entry requirement is only English. So these programs can be taken by 12th arts. Few of the programs can be taken by 12th arts, but most of the programs are for 12th medical or BSc medical students. So Centennial College is offering biotechnology advanced and fitness and health promotion. Requirement is 6 each. KPU, Quantum Polytechnic University, very favorite university of many because of the location in Surrey, British Columbia, is offering associate degree in science to BSc to 12th medical students and horticulture technician. IELTS requirement is 6.5, no band less than 6. Seats are limited, so students choose wisely. KPU is one of the good universities in British Columbia, and admission process is also long. It can take up to 8 weeks to get you an offer letter. So choose as soon as possible if you're looking forward to studying in KPU. The North Island College, we missed, that is also offering associate degree in science. College of the Rocky, again in British Columbia, is offering diploma in kinesiology. Red Deer College is offering diploma in kinesiology. Durham College is also offering fitness and health promotion. So I think I'll sum up this video because it is getting long. So बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम इदां दे होर हैं ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਕਾਲजेस ऑफर करते हैं, जिमें कि सू कॉलेज, लैम्पटन कॉलेज, which we are not able to mention in one video. I'll come up with another video and tell you more programs about BSc Medical 12th medical students. So keep on watching our channel, keep on subscribing to our channel. We are really grateful for your feedback. And say we cannot answer each comment in the comment section. If you want to get in touch with us, kindly message us on the Facebook or Instagram handle, or email us at info@landmarkimmigration.com, or WhatsApp us at 90413 90412, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.